With last year's release of our Hyper 7 optical/digital hybrid rifle scope, which has the ability to connect to rangefinders via Bluetooth, it was only a matter of time until the actual rangefinders came. And this year, things are getting very interesting because we've actually got 3 new laser rangefinders. We've got 2 handheld units, the Titan 3K and the Helix 1500, and we've got a rail-mounted rangefinding module. This is the one we're going to be looking at in today's video. So the main thing you need to know is that this little unit needs to be mounted to a rifle system to function properly. And the main reason for that is that a traditional rangefinder has a viewfinder, and you look through the viewfinder at a reticle or aim point, which tells you where the invisible laser beam is actually pointing. But with this one, because it doesn't have its own viewfinder, you need to set it up so that your rifle scope on your rifle system becomes the viewfinder. Of course, in order for this to work properly, the module not only has to be mounted very firmly, but it also has to be adjustable so that the beam can be aligned correctly. We came up with a 2-part solution to this. Firstly, we include a Picatinny mount with the unit. This mount design is based on our XT mounts and allows you to mount it to any accessory rail on, let's say, the side of an AR-15 or on top of a scope. And if using the Hyper 7, this is very straightforward because the Hyper 7 does come with an integrated Picatinny mount which you can actually move to different parts of the scope. The module does have a 30mm main tube, so in theory you can use any 30mm mount with this, but the mount that we include has another trick up its sleeve. It features a gimbal clamp which allows the module some swivel movement in order to get it roughly aligned during the zeroing process. Torquing the ring screws down then applies friction and locks everything in place, and fine-tuning can be done with the elevation and windage turrets. Of course, zeroing an invisible laser would be impossible, so we've integrated a visible laser that can be switched on when zeroing by holding in the mode button for 3 seconds. This allows you to align the rangefinder beam to match up with an aim point of your choice through the scope. The rangefinder is capable of ranging out to 1 kilometer, but ranging is only just scraping the surface of what this unit can actually do, because we've actually got our element ballistic chip inside here, which not only allows it to pair with the Hyper 7 and send real-time data over for an instant firing solution, but it also means that you can store ballistic profiles on here and use it to obtain a firing solution when using a traditional rifle scope. All you need to do is to open the Element Ballistics app and create a profile for your rifle, update the weather conditions and your unit preferences. Do you want data to be displayed in MRAD or MOA or clicks? Send it over to the module, and now when you range, you'll have your firing solution displayed below the range. This will drastically reduce the time it takes between spotting a target and actually engaging that target, and it means that you don't have to change your position behind the rifle. The module has an integrated CR2 battery which can be charged with the included USB-C cable, but the USB-C port over here also doubles as an input for a remote trigger switch, which you can install on the forend of your rifle stock or near your grip, somewhere where your fingers are, and that'll allow you to obtain that range measurement without moving anything on your rifle when you shoot. If you want to learn more about this product, you can visit our website at element-optics.com, and if you're interested in our handheld rangefinders, we'll put links down in the video description below to the overview videos for these products. As always, thanks for watching.